Storm Track weather with meteorologist Ryan Matoush.
All right, welcome back everyone and good evening. Another warm and windy day today. Highs were in the lower 80s with winds gusting a good 30 to 40 miles an hour. Plenty of sunshine currently across northeast Kansas. Take a look at this lovely view outside. This is our West Topeka camera showing bright blue skies and really only one or two clouds off in the distance. As mentioned though, it is still rather breezy. We are watching our flags blow in the wind here outside of our Holton camera. Satellite and radar awfully quiet for the time being, nice and empty, which is a good sign. It's a lovely day, but this could look a little bit more different heading into the evening hours on our Friday. We still have a red flag warning in effect for almost the entire viewing area. Relative humidities are on the dry side, dry fuels in the area, gusty winds, and those warm temperatures outside really all coming together to create quite the hazard for fire weather. Here's a look at current wind gusts across the viewing area. 37 miles an hour in Hiawatha, 40 miles an hour in Concordia, 39 over in Salina. So you're not imagining it. The winds are very strong today, and it looks like they'll be strong through the rest of tonight on into the early morning hours. 25 to 35 miles an hour tonight. And then we see the winds, they're not really expected to leave anytime soon on into the early morning hours for our Friday. Still could be seeing gusts up towards 40 miles an hour. As far as temperatures go, we are not going to cool off a whole lot tonight. Upper 50s and lower 60s. Really a rather mild evening expected. Nice and warm, and if you don't mind the wind, overall quite pleasant. And then highs tomorrow should be making their way into the middle to upper 80s. Very similar to what we saw today, although I am anticipating at least a few more clouds in the area. All right, let's talk rain chances here. Clear skies for tonight, very pleasant overall. And then early tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies start to pick up. Cloud cover moves into the region. Partly cloudy skies for our afternoon tomorrow, and then things become much more unsettled heading into the dinner time hour. Thunderstorms could be firing up 8, 9 o'clock in the evening hours. Pockets of heavy rain, lightning, small hail, and damaging winds all possible. And then towards the midnight hour, still notice mostly our western viewing area. Thunderstorms pushing in towards Manhattan, Junction City, on the edge of Topeka, Holton, and Emporia. Rain showers lingering through early Saturday morning, and then mostly cloudy skies and a few rain chances on into our Saturday afternoon. So it'll be unsettled for Friday and Saturday, possibly even a few thunderstorms for Saturday. So our severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, again, highlighting mostly the western side of the viewing area, but pretty much all of us under that slight risk. That is a level 2 out of 5. The risk right now is damaging wind gusts and small hail. And with that, it's a good reminder that we have our weather radio event today in the Midwest Ace Hardware in Manhattan. We'll check in with Matt here next. But tonight, clear skies ahead, 80s, 70s, and 60s. It's going to be a great time to get outside. And a look at our week for the forecast. 83 tomorrow. Storms appear likely, at least for the west side of the viewing area. Storms could linger on into Saturday, where highs will be in the 60s. And then on into next week, we don't see as many precipitation chances, but temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s.